Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel, and C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Last time, we finished our part 1 tutorial with 13 videos. Now we will proceed to our next tutorial, which is also part of our YouTube journey as beginners. The 8 must tools in vlogging. 1 is camera. It could be DSLR. It could be mobile phone or a digital camera. Number 2 is microphone. Mic built in from phone. It could be lavalier mic or with stand mic. Number 3 is selfie stick. Number 4, tripod. Number 5, green screen. Number 6, ring light with stand or light from the window. And number 7 is teleprompter or a teleprompter app from Google Play Store. Number 8, makeup or dress up if you will show your face or makeup from Google Play Store. So that's it, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.